Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Migraines by Boywithuke that just came out today. Let's go through the strumming patterns and the chords and learn the song together. So make sure you have your beautiful ukuleles and make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. If you guys aren't already subscribed, why don't you go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification and like this video. It really helps out. If you haven't done it, go ahead and do it. Support me and be a nice fellow. So the first chord is an E. I'm going to do all bar chords except for one of them because it's not. So if you want to do an easier version of this, it is this one, which is your pointer finger on the bottom string of the first fret, middle finger, top string, second fret, pinky on the bottom string of the fourth fret. But if you want to do the bar chords, you bar this second fret and put your ring finger on the top three strings of the fourth fret. That's the E. The next chord is B, which is the same thing, bar the second fret, but you put your middle finger second string on the third fret and ring finger on the top string of the fourth fret. The chord after that is an E flat, which is pointer finger, bottom string of the first fret, ring finger, third string of the third fret, middle finger, second string of the third fret. The chord after that is an A flat minor. This is going to be the hardest one for the song. You bar the second fret again, put your pinky on the third string of the fourth fret, your middle finger, second string of the third fret, and then your ring finger, top string of the fourth fret. Then the chord after that is a G flat. So you just slide the bar over to the first fret, put your middle finger on the third string of the second fret, and your ring finger on the top string of the third fret. So all together is E, B, E flat, A flat minor, and then G flat. All right, so for the strumming pattern of the verses, it is down, 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 up, down, up. So you want to strum completely with the first two down strums, down, down, and then when you do the down, up, you want to loosen your fingers so that it just makes that crunching noise, okay? And that is the same for all of the chords until you get to A flat minor and G flat. So those ones you just want to do down, down, up really quickly. So you go down, down, up for those, okay? But the rest of them are down, 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 and then this one's down, down, up, okay? That's the verses. For the chorus, it is just down, down, up, twice on all of them, and then for the A flat minor and the G flat, it's just once. So twice on E, twice on B, twice on E flat, and then just once on A flat minor, and once on G flat. I'm gonna play a little bit of the chorus so you guys can see what it sounds like. I can't rap and do the verses play at the same time because rapping's already hard and then playing at the same time is hard too. So if you guys want me to do that, I'm gonna have to practice and then do a cover of the song completely. So let's sing some of the chorus. All right, so I'm not gonna sing a verse, but just so you guys know, it's gonna sound something like this. Okay, so let's try and sing some of the chorus. Hop off the highway, I've been having migraines. I've been waiting for a while to have it my way. Oof, just a boy, acting like a girl. Forgot 100,000 voices saying I gotta do what they all say. Gotta looking sideways, I don't wanna write a song about a heartbreak. Oof, just a boy, acting like a fool. Got 100 things I'd rather do. That was pretty rough. Let's just pretend that I knew all the lyrics and didn't mess up, okay? I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Migraine by Boywithuke, his new song that just came out. So yeah, if this video helped at all, let me know in the comment section and make sure you like and subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.